Welcome back to my channel, guys. Sean Myers here, and today I'm going to do something a little different. Usually I show you guys a lot of men's stuff, but today I'm going to be showing a woman's haircut, and I'm going to bring my wife into the mix. Cha-ching! That's Lindsay, my wife. Everybody say hello. Yeah, I'm going to attempt to cut her hair anyway. So that being said, yeah, I'm a barber. Yeah, I use the scissors frequently, and I am really good with the scissors, but that is way out of my comfort zone. So I'm going to go ahead and give that a try. And if that's something that you guys like, please go down below, like and subscribe, even click that little bell. And I'll see you guys in the next clip. Peace. So I'm gonna get her set up and then I'm gonna get back with you. Peace. All right, now that she's done set up, I'm gonna go ahead and dive on into this. I'm gonna go ahead and speed up some of this too and periodically check in with you guys, and let's do this. Like I have no idea what I'm doing, but I'm just winging it, and yeah, so this is a lot harder than I thought it was gonna be, but right now we're self-isolated and it has to be done. So
some of us have to work though.
Well, yeah,
work like this.
Yeah, she works at the hospital, so she's got to work, but she's got to present herself in a nice way. She needs a little haircut, so I'm winging it. I don't have any clips either, so I mean I have one, but I don't really feel like that's gonna serve me any justice. So I'm kind of just going with the flow here and following the guide all the way back. I parted it down the middle though, but you never know what's gonna happen next. Yeah, also, just for the record, this is not a tutorial, okay? I think it's starting to actually turn into a little bit of disaster. She's panicking, but we're all right, okay? I was once told by a barber instructor that hair has no gender. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I got this. So keep following along. All right, guys, back to fast forward. Peace. Alright, it's at this point I feel like I'm buzzing right through it, so either I'm doing something extremely wrong, or women's haircutting is pretty simple, actually, and it's a lot like men's. Maybe I'm wrong, maybe I'm right, who knows, that's the fun.
Right.
We'll get it, we'll get through there. Alright guys, I'll check back in a minute. Alright, so I'm still doing it, still feeling a little uncomfortable, but yeah, I don't know, Lindsay. How do you feel about it?
I'm a little nervous. But
she's a little nervous.
I think you got it.
Yeah, I hope I got it. I don't know. I do not honestly know. I'm just kind of cutting it like I would a guy's hair, really. So that's about it. I don't know. I think it's pretty much a disaster. What do you think, Lynn?
I mean, I've got a lot of hair.
It's pretty stinking long.
You can't mess. It'll be fixable.
Yeah.
That's the point.
Yeah, it'll be.
Plus, I think you can do it.
Yeah, it'll be alright.
You know what you're doing. It's not like someone has no idea.
true. I guess. All right, so a little update back into it. Yeah, I don't think I'm doing it right.
Great.
I don't think I'm doing it right, and it's sad because I do know how to cut men's hair perfectly. Seeing as how I don't have any clips, and how I've never done this before, really, I don't know if I'm doing it right. I mean, I'm just kind of trying to go to hit the end, going through it, following that guide all the way back, and just. I don't think it looks right though for some reason. I don't know why, but man, I'm giving it my all. You gotta give me props for trying this. Right, Lance?
That is true. You did try.
I feel like I'm just about done though, so when I wrap this up, I'll hop back on here. All right? Peace out. All right, guys, so I'm just finishing up some last minute touches. After I do this, I'm gonna go ahead and go around the whole head, check out my guide, and then I'll go ahead and blow dry it so that way you can see what it looks like when I'm finished. Wish me luck. All right, see you in a few. Alright, so little Lindsay here requested that she also wants the thinning shears to go through her hair, so I'm going to go ahead and do that real quick. Might make her hair really thin just for fun. What do you think?
Oh.
What do you think?
I mean, I got a lot, so.
You do got a lot. It's thick.
I'm going to button it all off.
Alright, so let me do that real quick, then we'll get to the blow drying. Alright, guys. Go ahead and start blow drying and see how it looks. All right, guys. Hey, so what I thought was a disaster didn't turn out too bad. So, I mean, it ain't the greatest. It ain't like her, you know, her lady that she goes to. But I mean, I'm gonna go through this. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you the back. I have it all blow dried out. It's all right. I mean, I feel like I layered it pretty good. Here, just check this out. Look at that. First time. Nice layers in there. Don't look terrible. Yep. What do you think, Lindsay? Give me a what?
I think it's pretty good.
You think it's pretty good, or are you lying to me?
It's pretty good. It's not awful.
It ain't terrible.
Better than I could do.
I mean,
definitely better than I can do.
I don't know, it's kind of wunging. So,
I think it looks good.
All right,
It
so
feels much better.
that's a thumbs up. All right, guys, so in the next video, Lindsay here is gonna cut my hair. I'm gonna let her do the wifey challenge.
I'm gonna destroy it. Like, good. Crush it in a good way.
That sounded kind of funny, I get it. So she's never picked up a pair of clippers a day in her life, so this will be interesting. If you guys are interested in checking that video, it will be coming soon, so stay tuned, and I'll catch you guys soon. Please like and subscribe. Peace.